Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the auger assembly in your GE washer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the fabric softener dispenser. For the next step, the auger and base have been taken out of the appliance for better visual. Align the raised bump with the opening on the auger. Use the screwdriver to puncture through the inner shaft of the auger. Then twist clockwise until the auger releases and lift it out. This will be difficult. Be sure to hold the basket from rotating. To install the new auger assembly, set the auger over the tabs and twist counterclockwise to lock it in place. Align the dispenser to the grooves of the auger and press firmly to secure in place. And your washer should be ready for use.